planning a potluck? Well, registered dietitian Michelle Jaelin joins us in our kitchen with some tasty vegetarian ideas to bring along, or if you're hosting at home, these are some really easy ideas. And welcome to our kitchen. I think you've been here already, have you not?
No, this is my first time.
This is your first time. I wasn't sure whether when I was away, whether you did it here or from home. So
no, this is the first time, so very exciting.
Very cool. It's so neat to see you not in your kitchen, but in our kitchen. So
Yes.
welcome.
Thank you. So today we're talking about vegetarian recipes that you can bring to your next potluck or you can have when you're hosting. And I always like to start off with a nice finger food kind of appetizer, shareable dish. And right here I have a nice charcuterie board here, a pistachio powered board. And the trick to making a nice charcuterie board is you want a nice balance of different options of like healthier things and fun things. Now, fun fact, a 50-gram serving of wonderful pistachios is actually 11 grams of protein, a good source of complete protein, as well as 5 grams of fiber. So it's a nice smart snack, and balanced with some nice fruit, you have a nice delicious shareable right there.
I like that. And what's a serving for like one serving of pistachios? Like how many pistachios is that? Do you know?
I'd say about like 50 grams.
Okay.
So about maybe like
in the palm of your hand.
In the palm of your hand, yeah, it's great. It's got that protein to keep you satiated, and that fiber as well. Really good, and lots of different flavors that it comes in too.
Okay, love that idea. Okay, and then because you said because you're a vegetarian, you always bring the vegetarian dish.
So you know what? I always love to bring a vegetable dish here, and here I have asparagus. Now, very easy recipe. What you do is you put on some olive oil first, and then I'm going to add on some lemon juice. Just squeeze that on top. Whoops, kind of squeezed a little bit in my hand. It's going to go on top, and then I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper. So very easy thing to do, and then it's going to go in the oven at 400 for about 12 minutes. So I'm gonna put it in.
Look, the magic of our TV oven.
Yes, the magic of a TV oven, that there's one already done, and it looks like this.
Oh, that looks awesome. So how do you know it's done just when everything is tender?
Yes,
right?
tender. So you want to have a little bit of browning, a little bit of the edges, and you can also smell it too. Now I'm going to have you add some Parmesan cheese, freshly grated. And look, I already grated it for you too, so it's nice and easy.
That's very easy. I'm going to put lots in it because I love that.
And then I'm going to top it off with some pistachios there. It adds some extra crunch, some extra protein, a nice texture to this dish, and it makes vegetables really tasty. You really takes it to the next level.
Oh, I like that. I like that. And again, another way of getting protein.
Yes, absolutely, definitely.
All right, and then we have dessert.
Dessert, my favorite part here. This is a pistachio pudding dessert, and it's like a cheesecake, so I use pistachios in the bottom layer, and then I added a pudding mix in the middle one layer, and then a whipped topping, and I'm going to top it up. There, it adds a nice crunch here, the extra pistachios, and I like the little salty ones because it's like that sweet and salty, really fun flavor combination, and it's nice because everyone takes away a little square like this, so it's nice, shareable, lots of fun, and also very delicious.
What's your favorite thing about pistachios? Because I find that people either love them or they don't.
Well, I personally love them. I love how you can get different flavors. I love how there's the mindfulness of eating it too when you take them out of the shells. I really enjoy that, and also that goes with a lot of really delicious foods like here.
Right, very, very versatile. And as you say, like they're packed with nutrition.
Yes, absolutely, and a very smart snack, very good for fueling as well as just enjoying in so many lovely dishes and yummy recipes.
Okay, and you've got the recipes all up on your Instagram. What are you up to lately on your Instagram? I always watch you because you've always got the latest either food controversy or just a new finding. You've got great educational information on your
Yes,
Instagram.
so at Michelle Jaelin is my Instagram and also my TikTok. I love doing myth busting. I love talking about cultural food. Lots of tips I can give people about how to eat healthier. Just little tips to help you get healthier and for you to eat better.
Okay, that's what it's all about. Okay, some great ideas here, and we'll get those links up to your TikTok and your Instagram at our website at chch.com. Thank you.
Thank you.
Are we going to share the?
Yeah, I know we are.
We'll see.
We're going to eat this.